Okay, good. Michael Venezia, good afternoon. My God, it's power hour. I got 19 windows open. I'm sorry. I can't be effective with a 19 window open on power hour. Okay. Like I put in TGH in a segue. Watch meeting. That's another one. Can I take this one out? Yeah, I'm still connected. Okay. As YPF, by the way, stock been blasting with calls. Blasting with calls. I sound very old saying that. Still going, by the way, as I see here. YPF. This stock incredible. What the Australian, Brazilian, something freaking oil company? Here it is right here. Show it. It's my job to tell you. And I've been saying for a couple of days now, YPF, YPF, NVIDIA, CRK in the fund has more. Where's UNG? Where's Boyle? This Boyle, Coach and I double team you with this one. This thing sets over the 50-day, as I said before in the morning meeting. Where's the 50-day on Boyle? Right here in bright blue. 46 is the 50-day. It's that far away. I got to wait for 46 dip and Boyle to get in. All right. You know what we'll do? You never know. Also, you know what? Let's go 46 and a half. We'll start with 1200 Boyle. I should be doing UNG 46.60, 1200. You know what? Let me up that up. Let's go to 46.88. The one to, first of all, let me tell you about these. You know what's looking up here? These energy stocks are looking up right now. Maxim, this dog. Hold on. Why are these things up? Oh, I know why. CSIQ is taking calls. Fizzler's at the low. EMPH, by the way, forming a bottom. SEDG got upgraded to neutral. How's that acting today? Any juice in the punch bowl? It's up 32 cents. BE still there. Bro, by the way. Bro Coffee. There it is, Dutch Brothers. Now, Dutch Brothers is an example of something that you may learn on the hard way, the easy way. It may take 5, 10, 20. It may take 29 years. Strong stop. Flagging, coming down on low volume. That's Bill O'Neill situation. Stock to gaps. Even 3M did it. The first time it re-edified. Stock gaps up 20%. Takes like 4 to 6 weeks. Consolidation. It's easy. It's not easy. All right. Bottom line is it's NVIDIA. Let me get into TradeGATEHub if I actually am. It's NVIDIA's day. It's NVIDIA's day, and we're all very sloppy. Apologize. Really. Here's the earnings. YPF, by the way, even on here, is still breaking high. Jeff, some of the big boys are taking off some lemonade. In my room, I'm just saying. This stock is breaking high. AAOI. They're taking off some lemonade. Don't kill the messenger. Right now, the first time. I'll get into another time, the big boys. The big boys. Jeff, some of the big boys are taking off. Okay. Here we are. Sloppy session. Get into it, Mike. Finish strong. Okay. Here's earnings. Baidu. PDD. Dear BJ. Okay. Speaking about BJ, besides something else subliminal, the family show, I'm looking at Target. What's going to stop BJ? What's going to stop Dollar Tree? Doesn't it Costco hanging in there? Walmart. Is Walmart more like BJ? Or is BJ more like Walmart? Is BJ more like Dollar Tree? BJ and the earnings. I have no opinion. All I know that thing could rip your freaking face off. BJ earnings. Let's continue on. Always posted on TGH. Earnings upgrades, blah, blah, blah. Before the open, PTD, Dear BJ, BEKN, Oxford, IQ. I put on IQ. In China, Netflix. Maybe China, maybe there was a fight in China. By the way, Netflix maybe pulling in a doji. You know that Mike Tyson fight that was scrambled 90% of the time, stock made a new high. IQ, the China Netflix, worth a shot? Maybe. Maybe. taking calls, but I don't know if they're the right type of calls. But they could squeeze. Listen, KC did it. You want to talk about a bifurcated China market? DraftKings also acting well, consolidating. Here's Baba. Yet here's KC and the Sunshine Band. API, what's that thing? That's a spec. API, another one. API usually goes with KC. Watch that API to go higher. Mickey there. Zeta, been taking calls. Got halt. Zeta took calls 17 to 24, halted. Court says they're not having misleading cases. That's it for you. Now you look. It's not looking to pull an SMCI. Big letdown, by the way. That's a different kind of situation. Watch Zeta into the close. You have to be in the room. That's a 3:55 Eastern at the bell decision. Okay, let's go back into earning. All right, after the close, NVIDIA and Snow. Oh, NVIDIA, Snow. You know what? The way things have been going, Snow is probably going to work, and NVIDIA won't. Everybody's been pointing out this Wix to me. This stock, man, this stock is like APP. Look at APP. Oh my God, APP. I actually shorted that. If Jeff, if you're there anyway, that money I made short, I made $30 in that short one day. Right here. That was the Friday. 290, but I told you it was 309 pre-market. And I put bids in, it was 260. I think, by the way, that's what Lemonade's gonna do. I feel Lemonade will go down at least 10 to 12%. Probably into Friday's option, if not Friday morning, and I'd probably go back higher, don't get me wrong. Dip the buy. So next, that's my opinion on Lemonade. I'm redundant, by the way, I already brought that up, sorry. NVIDIA, Snowflake, PNW, Best of Breed, or one of them. Cybersecurity, SQM. Oh, by the way, Jay, if you're there, I bought some today or added. ALB is looking okay. There's the weekly on ALB. I'd like it to clear that. See the ALB, the weekly, 50-day weekly. It's pretty pivotal. 110.63 to 110.50. ALB daily. That's nice. I like ALB here. I like it. Bought it. As SQM has earnings tonight, I bought a little SQM guilty. But that's chilly. Has nothing to do with ALB. I'm in both. That's it for that. NVIDIA. Listen, bottom line is NVIDIA is going to dictate a lot of chips. I don't think NVIDIA is going to pull, the market's going to pull a situation where the rest of NVIDIA is down, the rest of the market's going to be up. Like Tesla one day could literally be up 10%. The market could be the other way. NVIDIA is going to do some more damage. It would do more residual damage if bad. So here's the earnings. NVIDIA, there's pin action. NVIDIA, and tomorrow, Best of Breeds, Baidu, EDD, John Deere. I haven't looked at it. That's interesting. Where is Deere? No opinion. I used to be a good John Deere trader. When I started, it was like an $80 stock. Now it's a $400 stock. You know, I like to trade size, especially when I'm down. No, only kidding. You know, I mean, John Deere, what's it going to do? Core's bullish, AMCR bullish. AMCR. What happened there? AMCR bullish. Let's look at the other one. What was the AMCR? American AMSC. NVIDIA and everybody else. AC and the Sunshine Band. KD. Let's look at this right now. I'm going to sign off. But I'll leave you to, I'm not going to comment. Percent gainers in 60 minutes. Hold on, these stocks have no volume. So for those that used my platform or our platform, TradeView, let's change it to 200,000 shares. If it doesn't move, I'm not interested. SPAI was the early mover early today. One of the first low floaters I caught. You want to talk about power hour? Here's SPAI. There it is now. Safe Pro. That's it. That's all I got to go. Could work. Keep an eye for those low floaters. That's one. Not in it. Not going to be in it. ELF. ELF bounced 8 points. Look at my the 11 o'clock video I put up. What happened here? ELF. I don't trust it. Ulta. They going overboard. I don't know. Ulta pulling on the doji. That's Warren. That could be Warren putting in a doji on Ulta. Not kidding. I'd like there to be more volume, but it never made a lower low. It's closing on this gapper. Never made a low. Warren's in it. You like Warren? To buy some. This is what you want to do something. You buy. Want to make a move by Christmas maybe. Hedge yourself on Ulta like I do with the wife. Ulta right now 340. What do I see? 10% premium. You want to go. What is this? November, middle of November. You want to go December. Middle of December weeklies, Ulta. Even before they report same store sales, maybe they're running into 320s, maybe even the 310s, Ulta. CSIQ near the high of the day. They're taking up the garbage ones. Mick, where are you? ENVX I saw was up. See, we're finishing. Don't like it too gappy, although I do like ALB. Maybe it's oranges and apples or whatever you call it, but there's so much reciprocal. Percent losers, 15 minutes. What they giving up? Elf again. Percent gainers in 60 minutes. Serve, Nova, Elf, KC, Oclo. The squeeze is on Oclo. Percent losers in 60 minutes. Percent losers, boom. All VIXs. VIX is coming to the low of the day. That means everybody's relaxed until NVIDIA. You know what that tells me? It's bullish. There's the chart on the VIX. Resistance. Good volume, though. Good volume. It doesn't matter. This is how I'm going to conclude whether or not the VIX is selling off into the day. Selling off. That's volatility. Even if it fills gaps on the bottom, hits the curling up 10-day bullish on the VIX. God forbid it breaks the resistance. I know somebody's got a pretty good opinion. Dale Pinker. Traders call him coach. I'm just Mike V. People call me Mike V. I don't even have a freaking thing yet. Yeah, look, right, even Jesus. Jesus. You know I follow him. He says it all. I got to get into this again. Jesus right now. A lot quicker than expected. That gas got hot. Not hot yet, baby. I've seen the EQTs talking about Jesus, nat gas. Or it could be talking about one of Tradeview Market's bigger positions. CRK 15 strike price? Maybe not. Let's go to the weekly. Just getting started. Let's go to SU. No one believes me. No one's going to believe me until it's taken out. I'm telling you. Why? I don't have. It's not like I have. I didn't go to Syracuse University. Calls. Compare it to the XLE. Actually, XLE bounced pretty nice again. Let's go to the best of breed for those that don't want to go into my speculation. EOG. Have a nice day.